sit down. Sit down from there, please.
The money. Don't give the money to yourself. These students talents. You don't want them to become millionaires or what? Come on, man. You deserve better. Don't be the kind of parent who will be killing our talents. Mama, thank you. Vitality, strength, and wisdom in this day. If there is any justice in the world, appreciate these children. That's it. Oh my God. Put your hands together for these children.